superheroes. How are you doing today? Welcome back to 3 minutes tips and tricks to be your child's superhero. Hi, this is Komal. I'm a Chief Psychologist at Little Leap, and I am going to share some really amazing tips that you can use at your home and you can make your child smart, confident and independent. So in the last video I talked about language and communication skills. Today I'm going to talk about smartness. Yes, we all want our kids to be smart, to be intelligent. Yes, you can improve that. What we say intelligence or smartness is a combination of so many skills actually. Scientifically, it's majorly cognitive skills. It includes decision-making skills, problem-solving skills, it includes your visual spatial skills and so many such skills. So today I'm going to talk about decision-making skills. How can you make your child a little more smart and you can improve his decision-making skills? So the first very easy tip is, whenever there is a chance, there is an opportunity to decide for anything, be it what am I supposed to wear today, or be it what will you eat today, or when will you like to do your homework today, give them choices. Just 2 choices will be good and let them decide. Instead of saying that this is good or this is bad or this is right or this is wrong, give them reasons. Second important tip is to practice this decision-making skills. Try to be in a normal environment, in a natural environment. For example, a grocery store. So let's say you are going to buy, let's say, hand wash, okay, and you have 2 brands to compare. So all we do is we majorly, like for example, we compare the price and we compare the quantity and we compare sometimes the brand as well. So you can take him to the store and you can let him compare the price, the quantity of the product, the brand, maybe the quality of the product as well, and let them decide. And even if you feel that his decision is maybe not appropriate, again you have to be very, very careful. Do not tell them that no, it's a wrong decision. So the third tip here is always encourage why questions. Let them ask why. Even if you, many times you don't know the answer, even I don't know the answer of why many times in my life. So all you have to do is just say, it's okay, even I'm not sure, let's read on that, let's Google that, let's research on this, let's ask someone, some expert, and let's find out why this is a better choice and this is not a better choice. So you can practice these 3 tips. One is giving them choices. Second is encouraging why questions, encouraging reasons behind their decisions. And third is, if you don't know the reason, behind the decision they are making or you are making, simply accept that I don't know, let's go read about it, let's go explore more about it and see how you can see the difference in your child. Of course, the decision making will also make your child more independent, more smarter. He will be able to solve his problems. So I'll be coming up with more tips and tricks for problem solving as well, for visual spatial skills as well, that helps in reading as well. So stay tuned, keep watching 3 minutes tips and tricks to be your child's superhero. And also parents to similarly to like these skills, like these tips and tricks are also applied in the program by our trainers as well. So we have a program which has like 2 sessions per week, which covers the holistic development of the child and which makes your child smart, confident and a better speaker. So you can join now. Link is in the bio. Good day.